No na lang.
Maligaya.
Yeah, maligayang bati. Okay, so why don't we do it like this? Like at first, hi Alvin, and then one of us says, guess what, guess what, guess what, guess what, and then
Binibito
like
mo yun. Sige.
2 seconds. You serious?
Pag kinakam.
Go lang, go, it's fine. And then after like one second lapse, we say, it's your birthday! Maligaya.
Okay.
Okay, and then after that, I don't know. How are you? We miss you like crazy.
Betsy said, you're good. Oh.
Why are you teasing Betsy?
Bagay kayo.
Wow! Sa katakan ko, sino di bagay sa akin? Joke.
Di mo alam na may videohan ka.
I know. Pwede naman delete eh.
Game na. Ikaw na lang yung mag-guess what, guess what.
Hindi ako
So who
sasama.
wants to do the guess
Hindi
what,
ka
guess
atin
what?
bukas.
You do.
Atin bukas? Where? Sa
Ano
school.
meron?
May guide na ba? May guide? May guide? Ay, yung guide. Punta ako bukas, sige. 1.
Pwede, kailangan ngayon.
Ay, ngayon na.
Wait, natapusin lang namin to.
Practice ngayon, hindi pwede po.
O, sige, sige. Parang
Natapusin lang namin to. Game na. Game. Ulit yung
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Go!
Hi, Alvin! Guess what, guess what, guess what?
yeah.
It's your birthday! Can we have a take 2? Take 3. Is it,
Take 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
hi, Alvin! Guess what, guess what, guess what? It's your birthday! Woo! 1, 2, 3, go. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Yay! That's happy birthday in Filipino, just so you know.
Yeah. Cool. Closing words, right?
Closing words, Betsy.
Yeah.
Do the honors.
do the job.
So, we hope to see you soon. We miss you. Yeah. We should Skype more often. Yes, we should.
Party. Party.
So, wait, how old is he? 19. Turning 19. You're old. No, I'm just kidding. You're old. Oh my gosh. Ba't ang awkward nito? Why? Gusto mo ako. Why? Take 4.
Take 4.
It started out nice. It's so nice. Wait. After... Oh.
Take 4.
Hey, Alvin.
We hope you're enjoying
Ako na lang yung apple.
Hey, Alvin. We hope you're enjoying your birthday. Kung ma-receive your birthday, you hope you enjoy your day.
Take 4.
Wait.
You're busy.
Hey, Alvin, how are you? You enjoyed your day? I-upload mo mga tama nila.
Really? I don't even feel my own phone.
Yun.
Hello?
Yun. Tapos,
I did, but I haven't read it yet because I was in class. What's your remark?
should we just like cut it?
We'll go to Kisay muna.
But parang pag kaming dalawa lang ni Kim, okay.
Opo. SM lang po. Opo. Ay, try na nga pala po. Try na nga po. Yes. Yeah, I'll be on later. Okay, bye, Mom.
Take 4. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, Alvin!
Party.
Guess what? It's your birthday! Woo! 1, 2, 3, go. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Yay! He's 19! Oh yeah! So just so you know, that was happy birthday in Filipino. Yeah, and you're old. Older than us. Yes. But we still love you anyway. Oh yeah! Especially Betsy, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, he misses you. She loves you.
No, we all miss you. Yeah, very
She
much.
loves you.
Don't we all love you? Yes, we all love you. So, say awesome. Say awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, and
No, he's awesome. Always.
yeah.
That's why stay nga eh.
Much awesome.
Become more awesome. Is that English?
More awesomer.
More awesome. More awesome. That's true.
Yeah. That should be.
There is now.
There is, yeah.
And we really miss you and we hope to see you soon.
Yeah, we're going to Peyton of Pebble, so bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh yeah.
Stay hot.